You've probably heard about chamomile tea, and you may think of it as a lovely, mild herbal tea that little old ladies drink when they feel a bit anxious. Well, it is good for anxiety, but chamomile is a powerful herb that has many more uses, some that may surprise you, especially number 6. Chamomile has been used for thousands of years because of its many health benefits. There are 2 types of chamomile that have nearly identical medicinal benefits: German chamomile and Roman chamomile. Both are in the Asteraceae family, which include daisies, so if you're allergic to daisies, you will want to avoid chamomile. Chamomile is used both internally as a tea or tincture and externally as a liniment or salve. If making a tea, use 1 to 4 teaspoons in hot water and let it steep for 20 minutes to extract all the medicine. Oh, and cover that cup so that you don't lose any of that good stuff. And what are you going to use this tea to treat? Yes, chamomile is a great nervine, which means it acts upon the nerves, making it appropriate to use if you're feeling anxious, depressed, or if you're having trouble sleeping. 1 cup of tea up to 3 times daily or just before bed can be calming and relaxing, helping you to get the rest you need. Chamomile has been shown to be antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal, making it an herb you should keep around in case you get a cold or the flu or any other virus. Drink 1 cup of strong tea 4 times daily to help fight the infection and to help you get the rest your body needs to heal itself. Did you know that your body repairs itself while you sleep? That's why if you are sick, you should get extra sleep to help you get well faster. Quit trying to push through. You'll just prolong your illness. If you're learning something new, please hit that like button. Chamomile is very good to treat just about anything that has to do with the GI tract, including colic, gas, vomiting, diarrhea, and irritable bowel syndrome. Again, drinking a cup of tea up to 3 times daily as you need it can lessen these symptoms. Not only does chamomile decrease pain by acting on the nervous system, it also has anti-inflammatory properties that can relieve swelling that contributes to pain. Chamomile tea has been used historically for menstrual cramping, arthritis, and back pain. It was also shown to relieve migraine headache pain in a study in 2018. As always, if you are pregnant or nursing, if you use a prescription medication, or have a chronic health condition, always check with your healthcare provider to make sure any herb you are interested in using is safe for your particular circumstance. If you suffer from canker sores or gum disease, swishing and swallowing a strong chamomile tea may help relieve these issues because of its pain-relieving and antimicrobial effects. In fact, 1 study showed that chamomile tea was more effective than chlorhexidine, a prescription mouth rinse, in treating gum disease. Another study showed that swishing and swallowing chamomile tea prevented thrush in cancer patients receiving chemotherapy better than a prescription antifungal commonly used. We've already discussed how chamomile is antimicrobial and antifungal, which brings us to how it can help you from head to your toes. In addition to colds and the flu and other common infections, chamomile can be used topically to treat acne. After washing with a mild soap, make a strong tea by adding 1 heaping teaspoon of chamomile to 1/4 cup of boiled water and let it steep until it cools to room temperature. Apply this to all skin that is prone to acne and allow it to dry. You should do this once or twice a day. You can keep the leftover tea in the refrigerator and use it over the next 48 hours. Then you need to replace it. So that covers your head. What about your toes? The antifungal properties of chamomile make it appropriate to treat mild cases of athlete's foot fungus. Mix 2 cups of very warm apple cider vinegar with 1/4 cup of chamomile and allow this to steep for 15 to 20 minutes. Wash your feet with a mild soap, then soak your feet in the solution for 15 minutes. Do this once a day until a week after the infection is no longer visible. Fungal infections have a tendency to hide, so even if you think they are gone, they are not. Treating for a week after you can no longer see it can ensure that you get rid of it. This applies no matter what antifungal treatment you decide to use, even over-the-counter meds. While you are soaking your feet, sip a cup of chamomile tea to help you fight that fungal infection from both the inside and outside for added benefit. If you have found this information helpful but want more information on herbal medicines, click here. Thank you for joining me today to learn about the wonderful benefits of chamomile. Stay healthy, go soak your feet, and have a blessed week.